Hi, it's Stas again. So, you probably already tried ChatGPT for text generation or enjoyed several other products based on AI like Grammarly or Midjourney. But soon it will be on another level with the new AI tailored towards text-to-speech from Microsoft Research. So, meet the new model, call it VALL-E. If you have seen the new Guy Ritchie film Operation Fortune, then you probably can recall a scene with real-time forging of a voice during the phone call. And this is exactly what the new AI model will bring to life this year. The model can replicate your own voice with just a few seconds of recorded speech. And while this will ease up text-to-speech translations for you, but it also brings a whole new world of problems and fun along the way. Scientists from Microsoft Research recently published an abstract about the new neural codec language model called VALL-E, making a name reference to the popular Pixar animation movie VALL-E with double V. The project site have many voice samples for you, and if you check several samples there, you would be really impressed, at least I was. But after careful evaluation of emotional reactions there, you might notice that model is not there yet. It's not really working very well. So at the moment you can only count on the brilliant voice reapplication and use special tags for emotions that I will cover in a minute. One of the biggest consequences of VALL-E would be situations when you will be arguing with your washing machine about the optimal regime of washing and electricity economy. And machine will able to respond to you with your dad's voice to prove its point, simply because it can learn it so fast. So, great future awaits us and very entertaining life indeed, when home appliances would be talking to us with voices of our relatives. This AI functionality would be provided by specialized neural chips that already exists as part of the CPU with our phones and laptops. With the upcoming optimizations for running specific neural networks and much cheaper chipsets, we will have the real AI mass adoption in no time. All major players already have these chips: Apple M-Silicon, Microsoft ARM-SQ chips, and NVIDIA specialized Jetson chips for IoT devices. Jetson platform already has hundreds of IoT devices deployed worldwide, and one of the prominent cases there is drones with real-time image recognition and processing by onboard Jetson chip. I worked with technology and it's really good and it's really brilliant. There is a new term for emerging AI-powered devices, the mortal computers, coined by Dr. Lance B. Elliott, and this name covers edge computers built from the ground up with AI chips optimized for GPT and VALL-E, so in the future most of the connected AI-powered devices would be able to efficiently communicate with you with help of voice and text-to-speech translation. The VALL-E model is based on the Meta AI library called LibriLite. That includes collection of unlabeled and labeled speech data, the recorded amount of about 60,000 hours in several areas like literature, science, religion and poetry. It is lacking some jargon and obscene areas for sure, but for academic purposes they are not really needed, and for other purposes I'm pretty sure people will figure out something. If you are curious how, just ping me in the chat below, I will share some scenarios. Frankly speaking, custom voice is not something new, and you can already enjoy this service as a commercial offering from major cloud providers. For example, Azure Custom Neural Voice is a text-to-speech feature that lets you create your own customized synthetic voice for any of your applications and scenarios with text-to-speech. Essentially, you are training the model with predefined script provided by cloud service and receiving a customized model as a result. The only problem is emotional speech and overall cadence of the speech. AI is not ready to replicate your emotions yet. There is a special speech synthesis markup language that allows you to mark text with special tags to hint AI when to simulate emotions and tonality switch. So, usage of this custom service means that you would have to spend about 10 hours reading and recording the special sample text, so it's definitely not a few seconds of your voice that is enough for VALL-E model. So, in summary, we are getting a new reality with a chatty AI that will be available 24/7. And our goal is to embrace progress, leverage it and get familiar with many new tools to detect AI-generated text and voice. So, thanks, subscribe and come back for more. See you soon.